Hey everyone, this is the kayak filler 5. Top spot, good spot on the main. 10 at 6. Thanks for the fill, everyone. Copy our list. Go live. 10-13. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 10-14. We got a 5. 10-14, 5 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4. 10 items on the list. Miss Sonia on top. Miss Joe on the bottom. Randomized 4 times. Dice called for a 5. 10-14, final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 7, Miss Sonia Sherman. 10 items, 5 times, 5 on the dice. Congrats, Miss Sonia. We are done. 10-14. Thanks, everyone.